Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Jasmy daily update. Are we going to have a huge bullish movement? Maybe. I will tell you what I'm seeing on the charts. Let's start right now. First of all, I want to thank you for watching this video and I hope that you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. Okay, secondly, we can move towards this video right here in this price prediction. So what is possible right now on the 4-hour frame is that we are making a bullish pennant. Can you see it? I can clearly see that. Okay, a bullish pennant formation is when we have this triangle with lower highs and higher lows after having an uptrend. Okay, so it is very possible that we are going to have that. I'm going to explain what are the next support levels and price targets that we should be looking at, and of course if we break above, for example, the top trend line, it is not necessary that we go up. If we go down from the bottom trend line, it is not necessary that we go down. We are going to discuss about every detail. Do not worry about that. First of all, let's go to the daily frame. Okay, and on the daily frame what you can see is you are seeing the bullish pennant formation going on, but at the same time we are finding huge rejection from the 20-day EMA. You can see that we cannot move upwards, we cannot close above this yellow line right here, and we are struggling to get through. However, what we have is that the stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation, which is bad, but if the price does not go down right here and go sideways, this is a good sign because we ignored the overbought of the stochastic RSI and therefore we are ready to push even higher. Long-term bullish RSI divergence kicking in from 8 March towards 12 May as well, with lower low in the price and higher low in the RSI. So this could potentially play out perfectly for Jasmy as well. The point here is that, first of all, what are you going to do? Secondly, what are the targets? And third, how can you find the targets? Let's start from the third one, okay? Because I like to start from things that are not the first, second, and third. I like to take it on the opposite side. And let's take this step right here and let's go to the trend-based Fibonacci extension we have for trading view. You can use a trend base from a single bottom to the top back on 19 March and to the bottom on 12 May. You will see that according to the trend-based Fibonacci extension, the first resistance level is the support level of 16 April and of course of the 30 April and 2nd May. So yes, it is important. As I'm seeing on the chart right here, it is crucially important. You can see that we had resistance level back on 11 March as well. Look at that, 0.017368, and of course right here, if we can get past above, we have talked about it again and again, we can go even higher. Right now what I would do next is I would draw a nice Fibonacci retracement from the same top to the same bottom, okay? And I would like to find some important resistance levels. You can see that those two levels perfectly collide in. So the 0.173 and the 0.179, these are huge resistance levels. You can see that the first one is taking the lower shadows of the candlestick, while the next one is taking the closing conditions, the body of the candlestick, okay? So yes, this whole rectangle right here is the first area that Jasmy will struggle. The 50-day EMA is also going there, so we are going to find huge correction around this area right here. Of course, that is if we can go towards the 20-day and above the 20-day EMA, which we are going to discuss right now. So let's go into back onto the bullish pennant, and what we need to do right here is that we go above the top trend line, which sits at around 0.0136, okay? So I'm going to put a price label on. If we go today, that is, if we go later on the next days, it is going down. You can see that. But anyway, it is staying near the 0.137 to 0.134. Okay, so if we can manage to break above and also find support level on the top trend line, that means that we are ready to fly and we are ready to go even higher. However, if we are not, actually, if this is not possible and we do not go higher, then of course we will be getting into some lower support levels. For the time being right now, what I want to do is I'm going to draw the Fibonacci from this bottom right here before we start this impulsive wave now to the top that we had. Okay, so you can see if we go on the daily frame, we have gone a little bit under the 0.618. If I have the Fibonacci retracement being drawn from the exact same bottom we draw the previous ones, you will see that we have the 0.618 as our guardian angel right here. It is a crucial support level, the 0.11178. Okay, you can see that we had the support level back here. Very good stuff. We now tend to go back to the 0.5 and we are finding rejection from the 0.236. Okay, so you can see these points right there are playing out perfectly, and they are Fibonacci retracement lines. In overall, if I had to just remove all the drawings and make a new one, I would go for the short term from the bottom to the top to find the major support levels, and you can see that we have the 0.618, and of course I would go as well from the top to the bottom to find major resistance levels. And you can see that as long as we found support level on the 0.618, we are finding resistance on the 0.618 as well. So I guess that the most important resistance level is the 0.14 and of course the 0.1488 for the time being for Jasmy. So if we can close above the 0.1488, we will be going all the way up to the next price targets, which will be the first one, the 0.0172, and we can also move to the 0.021. The point here is that we need to go even higher above from the 20-day MA, and also Bitcoin has to remain stable, go sideways or upwards even better as well. But yeah, it is looking good for now. It is looking like we can go even higher. Please see the targets, check the targets that we are having right here. I am a little bit bullish on Jasmy for now, but I do not spend right now any money because of the 20-day MA being a resistance level. Whenever we have this closing above conditions, of course, I would get in. This is not a financial advice, and you should be doing something on your own. Okay, this video is just to show you some important targets that I think they will work off. Okay, so thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. You're going to get the best of it. Do not worry about that. And of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye, everyone.